In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit icons in rich text modules in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to spruce up your website with engaging visuals or simply want to add a bit of flair to your content, this guide will help you transform your page with ease. To begin, let's head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and navigating to Hubspot's main website. Once there, locate the login button at the top of the page and click on it to access your dashboard. You'll need your login credentials handy, so ensure you have those ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make navigating to the content section easier. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Content. This will lead you to a list of options related to your website's content management. Next, you'll want to click on Website Pages. This brings up all the pages within your Hubspot account. Browse through this list and select the page you wish to edit. Take note that you should have already determined which page you want to enhance with new icons. This will save you time during this process. After you've selected your desired page, a new window will open up displaying your page elements. Look towards the top of this window and identify the Add button. Clicking this will reveal a submenu of additional elements you can incorporate into your page. To see more options, click Show More. This is where you gain access to more advanced tools, including the rich text module that we'll be working with today. Once you've located rich text, click on it to add this module to your page. With the module in place, direct your focus to the editing toolbar. You should see an Insert button. Click on it. This provides various capabilities to enrich your text content, including the option to embellish your writing with icons. In the next step, click on the Link option. This is vital if your icons need to redirect to other resources or pages on your site. Use this feature wisely to maintain an intuitive user experience on your website. Finally, click Insert again. With this final action, your chosen icon will be placed within the rich text module. This area will now reflect your updates, and you can further edit or adjust the icons as necessary to fit your brand's aesthetic and messaging. That's all there is to it. With these steps, inserting and editing icons in your rich text modules within HubSpot is a straightforward process. Take advantage of these embellishments to make your website interactive and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.